Today I'd like to show you folks how I turned my Weber BBQ into a wood-burning pizza oven. This is aluminum sheet metal. It's actually an old street sign. It has a door that opens up, and inside, let me show you what's in there. So in here we have a pizza stone, and if you take that out, you'll see some brackets that hold it up. Two brackets, and it has a screen in here that holds the firewood to the back. You want your stone to be a little farther to the front so that the fire can be behind it, and when it burns it comes up and over the pizza with the dome of the lid. I use somewhat small pieces of firewood. These ones are actually an old plum tree that fell down during a snowstorm. Here on the side we have a thermometer. That will get up to about 800 degrees when we're cooking a pizza. The door is mostly for pre-warming the oven and the pizza stone. You want to leave the door open while cooking the pizza, and that helps the flame come up and over the top of the pizza to cook it. So the oven is built at a slight slope down to the back. And it has some small brackets around the bottom that I clip it onto the barbecue itself, and two brackets in the back here that help keep the lid from sliding off. So that's about it. Let's get to cooking some pizza. Okay, the pizza's ready for cooking. Okay, she's going in. Okay, she's coming out. It's looking pretty good. Gotta get cut. She got a little crispy on this edge. Okay, bon appetit. Thanks for watching.